Many newer Toyota vehicles are equipped with a multi-angle reverse camera and a 360 camera. The camera buttons located on the factory touchscreen will switch between the different views available, zoom in on the 360 camera, and switch the different parking line modes. In this tutorial, we will show you how to use these features on an aftermarket radio when using the Maestro RR or RR2. Before installation, please check which T-harness version you have. If the T-harness is labeled 1.5 or lower, you will need to make a small modification to the harness for the camera controls to operate. If the harness is 1.6 or newer, no modification is needed. In the radio cavity, locate the factory white 24-pin connector. Find the blue wire going into pin 7 and the pink wire going into pin 8. On the Maestro TO2 harness, locate the green with red and green with yellow wires. Using extensions, connect the blue wire of the Toyota connector to the green and red wire of the TO2 harness. Then connect the pink wire to the green and yellow wire. Next, locate the yellow with green wire in the Maestro TO2 harness and connect it to the reverse camera trigger wire located on the aftermarket radio. Typically, this wire is purple with a white stripe, but check your radio manual to be sure you are connecting to the correct wire. Do not connect the purple with a white stripe wire of the TO2 harness. This wire should be connected to nothing. When replacing your factory Toyota radio using the Maestro RR, the camera angle control, 360 zoom, and parking line modes are all retained. While in reverse, use the mode button on the steering wheel to change between the camera views. Each press will cycle between a different view. To control the parking guideline modes, press the Seek It Down button on the steering wheel. Each press will cycle between a different mode. To control the zoom feature of the 360 camera, press the Seek Up button. This will cycle between the 4 different zoom options each time the button is pressed. For Toyota vehicles equipped with a front camera, this can be retained when using a radio that has multiple assignable camera inputs. When the vehicle is placed into drive, the front camera will automatically trigger on. The guideline modes can be changed using the Seek Down button, and the auto on-off setting can be switched using the mode button. For more information on iDatalink Maestro integration products, go to www.idataLinkmaestro.com.